I'm pretty famous, I'm super known. And if your son doesn't, I'll make your daughter know. Check out my visual, check out my book.
The whole palette, did I have to lose it?
Then he broke 10 more, so I know I'm blessed. You can tell